Again, good morning, students. In lecture number 3 of theorems, we are going to discuss the theorem number 3, converse of Pythagoras theorem. In second lecture, we have discussed about the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is we can apply this theorem in right angle triangle. The converse of this Pythagoras theorem means what is given there, what we are to prove that, and what we have proved there, it has been given to us. You see in the statement, in a triangle, if square of one side, we are not using here hypotenuse, square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides, then angle opposite the first side is a right angle. Means there are three sides in a triangle. If square of one side is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides, then the angle opposite the first side is of right angle, means 90 degree. So let's start this. We are to draw a triangle, but we are not to show here it is a right angle. We are to draw here ABC is a triangle. As I told here in triangle ABC, square of one side, we take it AC square. Square of one side is equal to AB square plus BC square. It has been given to us. In Pythagoras theorem, angle is of 90 degree, it is given to us, and this we have to prove. But here converse is there, that's why this has been given to us, and we are to prove angle B equal to 90 degree. Again construction for proof. We are to draw another triangle. PQR such that angle Q is of 90 degree and PQ equal to AB and QR equal to BC. You see friends, draw another triangle. It is very easy theorem. Draw another triangle PQR in which angle Q equal to 90 degree and PQ equal to AB and QR equal to BC. Now see proof. What is there? In triangle PQR, angle Q is of 90 degree by construction or not? When there is a right angle triangle, then we use Pythagoras theorem. We can use by Pythagoras theorem. This is hypotenuse PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. Got it? But this is according to Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. But PQ is equal to AB or not? We can start here. But PQ equal to AB and QR equal to BC by construction. So in place of PQ, can we write AB or not? So PR square equal to PQ, in place of PQ we write AB square plus QR, in place of QR we can write BC, we can write BC square. Take it as first. This is your first or not? But AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. From where we got it? It is given or not? This is given to us. If we see from first and second, students, you see right hand side of first AB square plus BC square, right hand side of second AB square plus BC square, both are same or not? So when right hand sides are equal, then the left hand side also equal. This implies PR square equal to AC square, or root we can remove, then PR equal to AC. This is PR equal to AC. And now we are to use 7th class congruency result up to 9th we have done it. If we take these two triangle PQR and ABC, now we got PR equal to AC. Now if we take these two triangles PQR, in triangle PQR and triangle ABC, this PQ equal to AB, this side PQ equal to AB, and QR equal to BC by construction, and this PR equal to AC we have proved here. PR equal to AC proved above. So by SSS congruence rule, triangle PQR is congruent to triangle ABC. If the two triangles are congruent, then all parts, means all three angles, corresponding angles of one triangle is equal to another triangle. All sides are already equal. It means all angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal. So angle Q equal to angle B. This is Q and this is B. These are corresponding angles. Angle Q equal to angle B equal to 90 degree. Or we can say angle B equal to 90 degree. Hence proved. So now again we are discussing this theorem, converse of Pythagoras theorem. This is a statement in triangle: if square of one side is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides, the angle opposite the first side is of 90 degree. So you see in this triangle ABC, this AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, then angle opposite to the first side, that is B, we have to prove that angle B equal to 90 degree. Here we have done construction to prove this. We draw another triangle PQR in which angle Q is of 90 degree and PQ, this side, equal to this, and QR equal to this. Now in triangle PQR, angle Q is of 90 degree. If this one angle is of 90 degree, you know, we apply Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem we got it. PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. But PQ is equal to AB and QR equal to BC by construction. In place of PQ we can put AB, and in place of QR we can put BC. Then it becomes PR square equal to AB square plus BC square. This is first. But AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, it is given to us. From first and second, you see this right hand side of both first and second are equal. Then left hand side also be equal. From first and second we got PR square equal to AC square, or PR equal to AC. Students, you are I think understood this. These two sides already equal, and third side we have proved equal. Then we got by SS, you have seen this in triangle PQR and ABC. We got PQ equal to AB QR equal to BC by construction and this PR equal to AC we have proved above. So by SS congruence rule, triangle PQR is congruent to triangle ABC. So angle Q equal to by CPCT by CPCT means congruent corresponding parts of congruent triangle. The corresponding parts means the angle at which position both are there. So angle Q equal to B equal to 90 degree. This is very important. So by CPCT, this angle Q equal to angle B equal to 90 degree, or we can say angle B equal to 90 degree. This what we are to prove. So I think, thank you from my side, students. I think you are able to understand this. Try this, write it, and be ready to solve questions based on this. Thank you.